It's summer, so let's play a game. I've put together a series of questions ranging from easy to a bit challenging, perfect for testing your Revit architecture knowledge. I tried not to dive too deep into anything complex or advanced, so instead, each question is based on the topics that we have covered on the channel. I mean, most of them. So I understand that 10 question might not cover all of the tools and features of Revit, but it is still can give you a pretty good idea of where you stand. So if you're ready, let's start. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question, but feel free to pause and think about it more if you need it. Now, let's see the first question. Which tool does this icon represent? Model line, reference line, detail line, or reference plane? Perfect. Hope you've got it right. Let's just jump into the second one. Question number 2. Changing the view scale does not affect the size of material tags in that same view. A, true, B, false, C, depends on the view, and D, depends on the scale. You probably know that I've mentioned this so many times. So let's continue with the third question. This one is based on one of the most viewed videos on the channel. So let's see what it is. While sketching a stair in Revit, what should you do if you need to add an extra thread? A. Increase the desired number of risers. B. Increase the actual number of risers. C. Draw a line with riser. And D. Draw a line with thread option. Alright, let's check the next question. Question number 4. Which one is the soffit tool? Sorry, I can't explain these icons, so your 10 seconds starts now. Okay, that was also based on one of the videos that I've published, I think recently, on the channel. So the next question, question number 5. Stair is A. System family, B. In-place family, C. Loadable family, and D. Generic model. If you read the newsletter I send you, you probably know the answer, right? So let's go to the next one. Question number 6. In what format you start creating a window? A. RVT, B. RFA, C. RFT, and D. RTE. I've talked about some of these formats, but not all of them, so it's okay if you're not sure about it. Next question, question number 7. Are arrowhead families editable? And in which tab can they be modified? A. Yes, annotation tab. B. No, modify tab. C. Yes, manage tab. And D. No, view tab. This one was also based on one of the most recent videos. Next question, question number 8. How can you rotate the text of a dimension? A. With rotate text. B. Horizontal. C. Read convention. And D. Text orientation. Jumping into the next question, question number 9. You should have a layer in core boundary. A. Substrate. B. Structure. C. Finish. 2. And D. Structural deck. Alright, the last one, question number 10. Let's see what it is. Which formula is correct? Again, I cannot read the answer, and since it is a bit challenging, you will have 15 seconds to think and check your answer. So, how was it? I hope you have figured out most of the questions. I'm going to put correct answers here in the screen. You can check them and calculate your results. If you have answered 8 to 9 questions, congratulations, you are a Revit Pro. You can confidently tackle any project you want. If you have answered 5 to 6 questions, you are in intermediate level and you need a little bit more practice to get into the next tier. And if you have answered 2 or 3 questions, no worries at all. Everyone starts from somewhere. There is a world of whole new and exciting things ahead waiting for you to explore and master. You can easily start by watching videos on the channel. But if you want a solution that not only saves you time, lots of time, and also keeps you away from all of those Revit challenges, you need to wait a little bit more because I'm working on something really interesting. It is the best for beginner and intermediate level, but if you are an advanced user and you are still unsure about your understanding of Revit, you can learn from that too. I would love to know about your results, so please comment down below the number of your correct answers. And if you want another episode of these type of videos, just let me know. I'm going to create one soon. Hope you enjoyed this game and cheers for now.